Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the spider. Park level, set the parking brake and remove the key so systems are dead. Put on gloves and glasses. Grab a 10 mm wrench, socket set, and terminal puller. Next, remove the seat or front storage cover. You need clear access to the battery compartment. Once the cover's off, identify the battery orientation and positive, plus terminal. Make sure to note cable positions or snap a quick photo so reconnection is correct later. You'll disconnect the negative, terminal first to avoid shorts, then the positive plus, tuck or cap the cables so they don't touch metal. Next, remove the hold-down bracket or strap, use a socket on the bolts and keep hardware organized. Lift the battery straight up. Batteries are heavy, so use both hands and a good stance. If you see corrosion on terminals, clean it now with a baking soda and water paste and a brush. Rinse and dry before installing the new battery. Place the new battery in the same orientation as the old one, making sure trays and vents align. Reinstall the hold down and tighten to secure the battery. Don't crush the case. Reconnect the positive, plus terminal first, then the negative, and apply a corrosion inhibitor to terminals. Once connected, start the spider and verify charging voltage is roughly 8 to 14. 6 volts with a multimeter. If it won't start, check main fuses and cable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.